Welcome. Today I'm going to do my hair using those kinky curls that I did myself. If you want to know how to do that, I already have a video up for you guys. I'm going to do mini twists and I'm going to do a total of 33 braids. Yes, that is just me parting, and the parting does not really matter that much because remember, you are doing your hair, and if you don't know, you just practice until you get it perfect. But as for me, I know how to get it perfect now, so it's not really a struggle. I'm going to start with the front part because it's much easier showing you guys in front than from the back. Yeah, so we're really seeing growth. The volume and the length is really doing us justice. Because I'm twisting my own hair, I might not make it too tight. That's why I'm gonna braid my own hair half an inch first before we crochet, because we are going to use the crocheting method, and then you can see how half I've gone. And then the crocheting, we are going to use the crocheting hook. That's a normal hook that we know, and you can get that in most of the China shops or beauty shops. You can get that from there. That is just how you separate. You want to be careful enough. Though the curls are tight, you just want to be careful enough. Crocheting, I'm crocheting from the back, pulling through my little rasta, and then pull half of the hair that I'm going to use to twist. Then I twist as a portion, just one portion, and then until I reach the half that I braided, then I separate the two, like my hair, into two sections to make just the twisting much more easier. And then you want to twist a bit tighter until where your hair ended, and then from there you can loosen it up a little bit. If you have longer hair, try to twist them tighter so that you secure the end, because we want those hair to last forever. Like, we want them to stay in that twist. We don't want to have a lot of flyaways that will be taking us back to trim and stuff. So you want to make sure that you twist very well. Towards the end, you don't really need to twist that strong. You can see how I'm doing it because the hair that I'm using is curly, and then I'm just rotating or putting it in a twist, so rough. That is my first braid. You can see how tight it looks from the edges there because of the method that I've used. And that is how I'll be doing my hair, the whole head. I'll braid my own hair half an inch, and then after that, then I crochet using the crochet hook with my braids, the crocheting braids that I've made myself. If you want to know how to do those kinky curls, I already have a video up for you guys where you will learn how to do that yourself and save yourself some coins. It's so easy. It's not that hard. And then when you are braiding your hair, make sure that you are not doing it so tight, so that when you are going to crochet, the hair will run through much easier. You will not struggle to pull through the hair when you are crocheting. And remember, hold 1 inch and then pull the other one, or hold one portion and pull the other portion. Then you make them seem the same before you start twisting. And then you grab the whole inch until where the inch where you braided. After reaching that, then you separate your own hair into two sections, so that each braid or each braid section is having a portion of your own hair. And then you get it from there. You twist, just know that twist a bit harder until where the hair ends, so that you secure that for you properly. Place. I'm using a different color, which is so cute and I love it. It's kind of grayish. This braid, I bought it in Pep one time. Yeah, and they really look so nice and so neat. I'm not using gel. I'm not really a fan of gel while braiding because they flake out and then they don't really look cute. So I don't really like using gel. I just do that. I apply only the oil and then do that. If you are a fan of gel, or if you have rubber bands that you can use before you crochet, maybe you seem like that method is too much for you, just do it, my girl. Just do it. As long as all we need to do is to have a protective hairstyle that is cute and fast and easy to maintain. Yes, that is how much I did for the front part. You can see how cute they look. And remember, I did not include my edges because I'm trying to grow them. So yeah, they look so cute. I love the length even. I love the color. It's not brown, it's kind of black. Yeah, got some trauma. Even on my second portion, I'll repeat the same thing that I did on the first portion, braiding half an inch with my own hair first before I crochet or before I start twisting. The reason I'm doing that is for me to tighten the bottom part, because remember, twisting your own hair sometimes is very hard to make them tight by the bottom part there. That's why that method is much easier, or that hack is much easier. The kinky curls, I made them myself. I've said that already. If you don't know how to do that, or if you want to save yourself some coins, check my previous video that I've uploaded on how to make your own kinky curls from braiding hair. Yeah, I hope you are enjoying the video, and just watch the rest of the video, my people. A question as to what kind of braids you should use when you want to make your own kinky curls. Every braid is just usable, but I would prefer, or I would recommend you to use braids that gives you best results when you dip them in hot water, because remember, we use hot water to deepen those braids in there. When you are buying the pack, the braiding pack is always labeled, or is always written best for hot water, or gives the best results for hot water. They also have some pictures there of how they look when they are deepened in the hot water, how curly they can be. Also, just check out on that. But if you cannot afford that, then just go with the normal braids, the ones that you can have, the ones that you can get, the ones that you can afford. They also just give you the best results, because the main method here, or the main ingredient here, is hot water and conditioner. I hope I've saved you guys some coins. I hope you are going to try it out. If you are going to do so, please let me know in the comment section. Or if you want me to show you any other method that you can use with these curls, let me know in the comment section. Here comes the result. After I was done, this is how the hair turned out. Yes, you can see. I ended up redoing these two because I felt like they were bigger. But yeah, so far they look so cute. This is how they look. How long will they last me? They can last me 2 weeks. Especially if I don't spray in a lot of water. They can last me for 2 weeks, because natural hair don't undo themselves that fast. You can style them anyhow. You can wear this style, which is so cute, and it's my favorite, and I know I'm going to abuse that style. The braids are so light on my head, and they look so pretty and neat. Thank you very much, my people, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until I see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.